We have another example. Again, we're supposed to find the unknown, which is part of the exponent. So what we're supposed to do first, we have to eliminate the coefficient which is next to e by dividing both sides of the equation by 2.1. 2.1 and 2.1 will cancel out. 8.4 divided by 2.1 is equal 4. Equals e 0.1 over x. In order to find value of x, I have to eliminate e. In order to eliminate e, I'm supposed to apply the natural log to both sides of the equation. And I'm going to have ln 4 is equal ln e to power 0.1 over x. Next, I'm supposed to use the property for the log of power in order to, I can say, convert exponent to the coefficient, because the property for the log of power allows me to move this exponent to the front of the logarithm. And I'm going to have natural log of 4 is equal 0.1 over x natural log of e. Please keep in mind that natural log of e is equal 1. ln e is equal 1. That's why my equation is going to look like this right now. ln 4 is equal 0.1 over x. In order to find value of x, I have to multiply both sides of my equation by x, by the denominator of my fraction. X and x will cancel out. And I have x ln 4 is equal 0.1. In order to find value of x, I'm supposed to divide both sides equation by ln 4. Natural log of 4. ln 4 and ln 4 will cancel out, and I have x equals 0.1 over ln 4, which is equal 0.0721. This is the solution to my problem. If you want to verify the answer, you're supposed to exchange this x by this value and simply plug into the calculator 2.1e, and you're supposed to add the parentheses. 0.1 divided by 0.0721, close parentheses, and on the right side you are going to get the value, which is approximately equal to 8.4. You can get something like 8.399, something like that. So it's telling me that the answer for this problem is correct if left side is equal to the right side. Let's take a look at the second example. This time we're supposed to collect the like terms. We're supposed to combine the like terms. So on the left side, I'm going to collect all terms which contain e, and on the right side, I'm going to collect all numbers without e. So I have 25e to x minus 23e to x equals 11 plus 49. I moved positive 23e to x to the left side. Remember, you have to change the sign anytime you move something from the right side to the left. And I also moved negative 49 from left side to the right. That's why I changed the sign over here. Next, I'm supposed to apply regular algebra. I have 25e to x minus 23e to x. These are the like terms, so I can subtract them. 25 minus 23 is 2e to x equals 11 plus 49 is equal 60. Next, I have to eliminate the coefficient which is next to e by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. I have e 2x equals 60 divided by 2 is equal 30. In order to find value of x, I have to apply the natural log to both sides of the equation. Why natural? Because of natural log of e is equal 1. That's why I have to apply the natural log. Anytime you are going to see e, you're supposed to use natural log. So if ln e 2x equals ln 30. Next, I'm supposed to apply the property for the log of power. You're supposed to bring simply this x to the front of the logarithm. And you are going to have x ln e equals ln 30. One more time. Natural log of e is equal 1. So if 1 times x gives me simply x. X is equal ln 30. Now you're supposed to use the calculator to find the natural log of 30. This is going to be equal 3.4011. This is the solution to my problem. If you want to verify that your answer is correct, simply replace the x in the original equation by 3.4011 and calculate the value of the left side of the equation, and after that calculate the value of the right side of the equation. Left side is supposed to be equal to the right side. If the left side is equal to the right, means this is the solution to the problem.